Okay, I've got a day off. Let's go make the most of it. We started off by renting a car, obviously getting loads of snacks.
Obscene amount of snacks.
I picked up Dawsey and then we hit the road. I'd planned a trip out into the mountains northeast of Melbourne.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
Further we got out, the roads got more insane.
It's like a takeout.
An hour and a half of driving and we were at the first spot, a place called Big Peninsula Tunnel.
Oh, it does smell good. Smells like forest.
And you can rock and roll with an attitude.
The sign said, don't cross when stepping stones submerged, so we obviously crossed the river. And made it to Big Peninsula Tunnel. It was a pretty cool spot. The second spot was Upper Yarradam. It was temporarily closed for construction work, so we decided to run along the road instead.
You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on.
And obviously run back to get the camera, the car, and, you know, everything else. We then headed to Stevenson Lookout, a tiny little lay-by on the mountain road.
Wow. What an insane view.
It's so quiet, it's class. One of those places makes you feel real small.
Yeah. Like the only noise is like the wind in the trees.
And us. They're not.
And wildlife. That's so beautiful. How sick is this? Also,
How nuts is that? Look at that car. Have you seen it? Look. That is crazy. Someone has had a very bad time.
this is so cool. What the? Oh my god. Firstly, this is insane. And secondly, I might have lost my GoPro. We then hit the road again, driving further into the mountains to get to Korra Falls. These paths through the rainforest used to be used by gold miners.
Now we are properly in the middle of nowhere.
And this was actually the main route to get to some of the mines. It was pretty insane to just be walking through some of the Australian rainforest. Then we found the waterfall.
So fresh, get up on your feet.
Whoa. How sick is this burnt tree? Obviously not good that it's burnt, but the whole inside is just charred. And it's like hollow. So cool.
So, towards the end of last week, we went surfing and I didn't manage to get any GoPro footage. So, when we booked a trip to go to urban surf to a wave pool, I thought, what a perfect opportunity to get some GoPro footage of me surfing. I made an incredibly awesome custom head mount. So I used the normal GoPro head strap, had the GoPro on the front, and I thought, right, this would just fall off my head. So to keep it on, I made a custom chin strap out of string and tape. It did look incredible. And yeah, put it on, confidently went out into the waves. We kept on driving up to our next stop, which was Lake Mountain Summit.
Wow. That is incredible. That's absolutely incredible.
So I get out the back, wait my turn, it's finally here. I'm ready, confident, waves coming, paddle, 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 paddle. It absolutely destroys me. I nosedive, tumbling underwater. It holds me under for quite a while. I get up and I'm like, woo! That was that hit me. And then start swimming off, and then I realise it's gone. It's gone. My innovative chin strap did not work. First wave, it was off my head, and I don't have a floaty, so it was gone for good. But like the death of all of these burnt trees giving life to new trees, the loss of my GoPro gives the opportunity for a new upgraded version. I will be purchasing the Hero 10. And luckily, because I'd actually downloaded all the footage before going, I didn't actually lose any of it. So yeah, silver lining. The fifth stop was Nicole Lookout, another awesome spot along the mountain road. There was a little sign which provided me with way too much entertainment. This is a bad idea. I won't. Oh, it's alright. I can safely bail. No. Like a gymnastics class here. The last stop of the road trip was Stevenson Falls, a 122 metre cascading waterfall just outside of Marysville. After an awesome day, seeing so many incredible spots, this was one of those moments where you just stand there and appreciate nature. On the way back to Melbourne, we stopped off on Blackspur Drive. This road is incredible. It looks like you're driving through Pandora from Avatar, and we managed to catch an incredible sunset. This was right next to someone's house, so that's their view. What an awesome day. Awesome day. So many bugs. How insane is this view? Lake Mountain summit. Beautiful. Beautiful.